Everybody, and welcome back to another video. And this is Trials of Fate, the one I forgot to play back in the day. I forgot to play a lot. What I meant, back in the day I played this a lot, then I forgot to play it. So yeah, right. So this is not my first time though. I didn't finish the game though. So this is the first time I'm going to beat the whole game in the whole for the first time. Okay, let's do the game. Demos really. Bro, Taylor pa spunky girl. I would rather have her. Wow, perfect timing. Princess, dinner won't be for another 10 minutes. Please return to your room at once. Come on, Grams, I'm starving. I'm not waiting. No way. Gosh, just looking at this food makes me drool. Princess, don't touch the food. Yummy. What bad manners. Princess, behave yourself. Hey, take it easy. I'm not gonna eat it. It is an enemy. What's the difference does it make? Princess, please. What should I try next? Let's see. These are pumpkins. He knows I hate pumpkins. That chef is so dead. It's perfect golden brown. It looks so nice and crispy. Oh, that was so good. This is what life's all about. What are you doing? That is His Majesty's seat. Yeah, but it be my city no time. Yes, someday you will be queen of the East Heaven Kingdom. However, exactly, why are you making a big fuss? My goodness. Huh? This is like a Chinese tale or something. What's up, Maya? Why is Dal Master with you? Why are you sitting in my father's seat? Oh, my dear sister, we must talk. Later, I'm starving. Come on, let's eat. Oh, no. Oh, gracious. You have very important roles in this kingdom. Have you even considered that for a second? My role? Of course I have. I'm your older sister and the #1 princess of East Heaven Kingdom. And eventually I'll be the ruler of this kingdom. Why do you look so puzzled? Okay, you wanna know what I think? My role is 100 times greater than yours because I'm smarter than you, greater than you, stronger than you. I can go on forever. The point is I'm the most qualified to become the next queen. Not anymore. What are you talking about? The High Council convened this morning. They have voted anonymously against your future succession to the throne. What? I don't understand. What does that mean? It means that you have lost your right to the throne. Therefore, the future queen of our kingdom will be Princess Maya. So you see, you're no longer qualified. What? Why? Why did I do? Who decided this? As I have said before, the High Council, His Majesty, also supports the decision. No, Dad, how could you? This can't be happening. This isn't fair. What did you expect? You have done nothing right. You have neglected your training. You break curfew every day. Spend lavishly and only eat what you like. The list goes on and on. Did you honestly believe that a spoiled, selfish person like you could become the queen of our renowned kingdom? Hey, when the time comes, I'll start shaping up. That lazy attitude is exactly what will destroy our kingdom. Our kingdom would not last 1 year if you were at the helm. Probably not even half a year. Times you too. So little sister, the next ruler of the East Heaven will be being not you. I will not tolerate your childish conduct anymore. Do I make myself clear? Who do you think you're talking to? That's it. We'll see who's better. Maya, I'm gonna beat you to a bloody pulp. The throne is mine, do you hear me? My goodness, you must be kidding. That's the Book of Cosmos. Our kingdom's greatest eon. The Book of Cosmos. My dear sister, your self-taught magic is useless against the power of the book. Dang it, you big coward. Whatever. You can do so many things with the book. Here, you'll definitely like this. Oh. Pumpkin? That's right, from now on, your life is going to be a big pumpkin nightmare. Starting tonight, you will eat what is served just like everybody else, including the pumpkins. If you do not, I will have you confined to your room and have the chef serve you nothing but pumpkins. No. No! Come on, I was just kidding around. You're not serious, right? I'm very serious. Here's a hint. No help. Maya, I'm gonna get you for this. Why me? What did I do this to deserve this? That's it. I'm gonna get a relic too. I'm gonna steamroll. Okay, Maya. Okay. But then throne will be mine. After that, it's world domination time. It's already been 2 years since I left. Then I thought it was gonna be so easy to find the relic. There's no way, I'm giving up. Once I get the relic, it'll be world domination. Maya, you're gonna be my slave. Okay. Hey bro, how about we rob her? We forget it, we've got a bigger stash to go after. Really? Guess my brother blood always guts his big guts big guts. You're damn right. I'm gonna get busy after we get to Carona. Roll first when we get there. Chop up some weakling and take his money. Uh-huh. Really? Yeah, chop him up real good. Eh, bro, you're ruthless. Hey man. Hey, a man's gonna do what a man's gonna do. Gonna do to eat. Heh. Hey bro, what is that thing? What? That red thing? What the hell? We're gonna crash. Let's see, what should I do first once I conquer the world? Yes, I can start by making scrub the toilet. Of course. Oh! Oof. Dang. I thought I was gonna die for sure. Well, you're lucky. If my ship didn't pass by, you'd be fish food by now. Alright, thanks. What's your name? It's Davis. I run the docks here. Pulling people out of water is my job. I don't know what happened out there, but you'd better be more careful. Yeah, thanks. Oh yeah, one more piece of advice for yourself around here. Generally, it's a safe place, but I noticed some suspicious character coming in lately. Don't worry, anyone messes with me, I'll send them home crying with my magic. Magic, huh? That's cool. I guess I'll see you around. See ya. Suspicious character, eh? Maybe there after the relic too. Good hit, bro. Let's see. She's got some money. Nope, her up. Get your butt over here. Wait up, bro. We're going to the forest. Those humlums must have a dead fish. Nobody hits me and gets away with it. Okay. Okay. So this is Carona. Looks nice and peaceful. Must be boring living here. Some of them said they were going to the forest. I wonder what they're up to. Maybe I should go too. I heard there are many rare items in this area. I'm hoping to make a lucky find. Hello, my name is Marco. I came to Carona on business. If you're going to the forest, can you find Elena and bring her home? Elena is the daughter of the shopkeeper next door. Her parents went to study the ruins in the forest. They haven't been back for 5 days now. Elena got so worried she went to look for them by herself. I told her not to go because there are monsters out there. I walked into these two guys. They hit me. It was an accident too. Guess you could call those hoodlums. Depart, please. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. You guys empty by attacking. Attack distant enemies with magic. Hold the down button. Choose the color of the magic with the left right button. Choose the effect of the magic with up and down button. Then use triangle. Okay. Mm. The bronze coin set. The bronze coin allows you to continue when your HP becomes 0. Silver coin and gold coin allow you to continue your game as well. To find these coins in treasure boxes in other places. Mm. Huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Let's move forward. Please let me go. Come on, baby. Ain't gonna hurt you. We just want a little food, that's all. We haven't eaten for 2 days, you know. Yeah, got no money for dinner either. This is perfect. I get to play hero and get even. What do you say, baby? Got anything to spare? Hey, bro. What? What are you whining about? Is there something? Rah! Bro, you alright? The hell do you think you're? Yeah. No, not fair. What do you mean not fair? You're the tag that knocked me down at the docks. I hope you have painkillers because I'm gonna give you plenty of payback. Shut up. Think we're gonna waste our time on a little brat like you? Smokey, take the girl hostage. Bro, just shut up and get the girl. She got away. What the hell? Dang, you guys are so dumb. What you call us? Alright, Smokey, let's chop her up. Hehehe. Oh, bro, I don't feel so good. You're next. Alright, time to get serious. Dahil that old dangerous acting up against she, man. When I was about to take you out, it kills me and let you live to see another day. Hey, hey bro, wait for me. That was easy. Thank you so much for helping me. Oh, don't worry about it. I wanted to beat those guys up anyway. Gee, if you didn't come, I don't know what happened to me. By the way, what's your name? Friend Mint. I'm a princess, but you don't have to be formal with me. People that prefer me to ask your highness, your kindness, beautiful majesty. You know what? You can just call me Princess Mint. Okay, Mint. What I just said? Oh, I haven't told you my name yet. My name. Hold on. Are you Elena? Yes. How did you know? I heard from someone in town. She said you came out here to look for your parents. Oh, no wonder. I thought you were like a fortune teller. Kind of look you kind of look like one. Whatever. Yes, you're right. I came here to look for my parents. They haven't been back for 5 days. I'm so worried about them. Those brutes might go after my parents. I have to go find them fast. Mint, it was nice meeting you. Hold on. I'm curious, what are your parents doing out here? My father likes to do research on old ruins and stuff like that. I think he came out here to look for some kind of treasure. I think it's called a relic. A relic? Really? Yes. Yeah, finally. If I find her parents, I can finally get some solid info on the relic. Elena, you're incredible. What? I'm touched by your selfless to wish to help your parents. I wanna help you. Let's look for your parents together, okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Okay, let's get going. Oh. Oh man. I think it's this way. Come on. Okay, let's go. Dad, Mom, Elena. Elena, what are you doing here? What am I doing here? I haven't come home for 5 days. I was so worried about you. Dad, what happened to your leg? It's nothing. I just twisted my ankle a little. I can still walk. Phew. Thank goodness. I'm sorry, darling. I guess I became too caught up in my research again. I can't believe you came here by yourself. Are you alright? Actually, I almost got mugged by these brutes, but Mint helped me. You are. That's Mint. We met in the forest. She's really nice. She helped me look for you too. Oh really? Thank you for that. Thank you for all your help, Mint. Oh, it was nothing. We haven't introduced ourselves yet. My name is Klaus. I live in Carona with my family. Oh, and that's my wife, Mira. Hello, Mint. Sounds like you helped Elena through a lot of trouble. Thank you for helping her. Klaus, there's something I wanna ask you. Sure. Is it about the relic? How did you know? This young man asked me about the same thing a second ago. So I thought maybe you had the same question. Young man? Who is that? His name is Ru. He looks like a weirdo. Got here just before you did. Ru's looking for the relic too. Dang, he's my rival. Alright then, let's talk about the relic. I've been looking for the relic for some time now. I've visited many ruins, read through ancient manuscripts. Basically, he's been playing around. Yes, it's like a hobby. But it was time well spent. Recently, I found a vital hint that may lead me to the relic. There's an atelier around here that may hold the key to finding it. Atelier? Oh, you mean a magician's workshop? That's right. Supposedly about 100 years ago, a magician lived in this forest. We believe that this magician did some research on the relic. If we go to his atelier, maybe we can get more information about the relic. Really? Where is it? Where is this atelier? Well, you don't know where it is? Min, can you come here for a second? Gee, it's so steep. If the legend is true, there should be some kind of special area down there. The path that leads to the atelier should be hidden somewhere there. But as you can see, the cliff is so steep we can't get down there. Before you two came, I tried getting down there but I ended up slipping and twisting my ankle. Dang, this is crazy, but Doctor, I think I can. Hey, me? See ya. Jeez. I hope she'll be alright. There are monsters lurking all over these cliffs. I think she'll be alright. Elena, don't ever be that reckless, okay? Okay. Oh my goodness. I can Ow! 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 Let's go down. Okay. There you go, killing. Oh. Okay, first boss, I think. Gargoyle face. Fight the gargoyle. Game over. Gargoyle face. Fight the gargoyle. Nope. Hmm. Okay, nice. Okay, I just need to kill those two. Okay. Kill. 3,332, 3,343, 300,444. Oh, my legs. This looks like the atelier looks like a dingy old church. Then I hope there's a treasure in there or something. Oh! Okay, boss. Stupid god dog, horse, whatever. Get on my way. Eh! Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh, killed. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh man. Mm. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Yun. Mm. Oh. Okay. There go. A good dream. Hmm. Piece of cake. Time for some treasure hunting. Mm. Okay. I hope this so I can end this episode. Moonstone. Alright. Check the fold. There's gonna be something in here. What the heck? It won't open. Come on! Come on! Stupid vault. That's it. I'm gonna borrow it out. Here, let me take a look at it. Klaus. We finally made it. I'm surprised you made it up those steps. I thought you hurt your leg. My leg is fine. Just thinking about this air atelier made the pain go away. I would crawl up those steps if I have to. If I had to. I've come too far to stop now. Jeez, talk about it's passionate. Aha, there's a switch. Doesn't look like much of a treasure. Amazing, this manuscript must have written centuries ago. Really? Missy. I don't understand the thing. I should take ancient literature more seriously. Leave it to me. Analyzing ancient manuscripts is one of my specialties. Interesting. What? Impossible. Can this be true? What? What? What does it say? I was just kidding. Ha ha ha. Just a diary. Ha ha ha. Very funny. What a dork. I believe this diary belonged to the magician who lived here. It has detailed records of his research. From what I've heard, it appears this magician was doing research on the creators of the diary. You mean the Aeons, right? I studied about them. There were powerful magicians that ruled the world around about 2,000 years ago. I heard they had powers to change the orbit of stars and move landscapes. Surprising that they all perished. Indeed it is. There are so many theories as to why they perished. Despite their godlike powers, they weren't immortal. Now, all that remains are items they created many years ago. And those items are called relics. I try to seem to know that. Of course, I know. Mars Book of Cosmos is an Aeon relic. A relic holds unimaginable powers. A great relic can probably grant any wish. By the way, why are you looking for the relic mint? Huh? Oh, are applying for world domination by any chance? What? Dang, he's sharp. Did you find what you were looking for? We should get going. The sun's setting soon. Alright, I'll take what I need back to town. Dear, can you please go get through for me? Mint, I'll need your help carry all this too. What? You're kidding? That diary had some interesting information about the relic. I'm sure all these materials also contain important facts about the relic. But you and I will need to find it. It's fine, I'll help. Jeez. Thank you. I need you to carry these books right here. Dang, this sucks. Thanks again, Miss Carta, for letting me stay at your inn. Don't mention it, Mint. Make yourself at home, okay? You sure I can stay here for free? Please can stay for free. Of course, it's the least we can do, Mint. You've done so much for us. You helped Elena in the first. You helped my husband with his work. Actually, it's more like a crazy hobby, huh? Okay then, thanks. You're welcome. I almost forgot. Klaus wants to talk to you. Maybe he wants to talk more about today's findings from the atelier. Come by whenever you want, okay? Hello. Are you here to register or take a break? Take over. Yes. Okay, this is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their